Good morning, students. In the last lecture, we discussed about the Bernoullis theorem and the applications of Bernoullis principle. Today, we are going to discuss the remaining applications of Bernoullis theorem. What are the Bernoullis applications? The next application of Bernoullis theorem is the shape of the wings. Now, how this Bernoullis principle work in this aeroplane, taking of the aeroplane? If we observe the shape of the wings of the aeroplane carefully, then the shape of the wings is of the particular design, so that the air is crowded over the upper part of the wing than the lower part. And as we discussed earlier, where the velocity of the fluid is more, then the pressure will be less. So by that principle, we can say that where the velocity of the air is maximum, the pressure of the air will be minimum as compared to the lower part of the aeroplane. So as the aeroplane is running on the runway, it takes off in the air due to this pressure difference, because the pressure above the wings of the aeroplane is lower as compared to the pressure at the lower end. So due to this, when an aeroplane is running on the runway, due to the shape of the wings, the aeroplane take off into the air. This is the next application of the Bernoullis theorem. The last application of Bernoullis theorem is nothing but the roof of hut. Means in the monsoon season, due to the very high speed of the wind, the roof of the hut sometimes get flow into the air. In this also Bernoullis theorem can be applied. How? When a very high speed air wind is flowing onto the hut, on the roof of the hut, the pressure at that point decreases as compared to the pressure inside the hut. So due to this pressure difference, the pressure inside the hut is greater and the pressure outside the hut on the roof is lower as compared to the inside. Due to this pressure difference, the roof of the hut flow into the air. So we discussed the applications of Bernoullis theorem. In the last lecture, we discussed about the applications of the Bernoulli theorem. It is the Venturi meter, which is also used to measure the speed of the flow of the liquid into the pipe. So in this way, when the fluid is in motion, this Bernoullis principle is useful for calculating various properties, for determining the various properties of the fluid. In this way, we end this chapter, mechanical properties of fluid. This is the last topic in our chapter. In the next lecture, we are going to start the third chapter, which is nothing but the kinetic theory of gases and radiation. It is goodbye for now. Have a good day.